Actualmente, let's talk in English. Actually, I want to ask you something that I'm making videos means that moto blogging. I hope you have already heard about it, moto blogging. I'm documenting my rides. So can you suggest me something that can make my motor blogging much more effective to the others, that can impress others? Okay, okay, maps and grounds. Like, no, actually, I'm gonna uh, upload the my motor blogging video the way it is. I think there's no need to be what, there's no need to be change or edit anything if you are a real motor blogger. So just show the public what they really want to see. This, it's not like that you are gonna change or edit or add something else for, or hiding something. Just show them what's the real thing you are seeing in your while while riding. So that would be great. Like, I'm in the kind of jungle. It's, oh yeah, that's really good, that's really cool. Actually, I'm just beside the Yamuna Nadi, and it's a kind of jungle, you can say that, where many of the uh, animals you can find here easily. So I'm here, and many of the times I came here when I feel low, just to make my mood great, and to feel myself touched with the nature. So on that time I come here. So right now I'm also here, and I can see many. I can say you that you can, whenever you come now, you can see many of the animals here so easily, like peacock, snakes, even the foxes. And I saw many of the times while seeing fox I got feared as well, but that's cool. I like, but फटती भी है. Yeah, sure it is. Yeah, yeah. I think this in the same way. Like, oh, look, here's the male peacock I just saw. Uh, I think it's enough footage. Yeah, of course. I can hear many of the sounds, on the bird sounds, peacock sound as well. You can see there's the peacock. Look. I can see the peacock. It's the fifth one. A fun fact, like how? Oh yeah, of course. Now another female peacock just crossed, and now I can see the metro, the blue line metro, Delhi. Okay, just tell me the how long the blue metro line of Delhi. Okay, so means blue Delhi blue line is around 56 kilometer long, and it has 50 stations. Wow. Just tell me that how many passengers travels daily in blue line. 1.5 million. Okay, now from here I can see the sun clearly. The sun is shining and I'm going towards it. I can see the Yamuna as well, where the mud, you can say, sewer is meeting to the Yamuna. I cannot say that it's a good one, that Shiva is so clean. It's very dirty and smelly as well. Oh my god, look, 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 peacock, female peacock. Oh, 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 oh. There are a lot of peacock I can see. I hope guys you can see that those peacocks are hiding. Look, they are flying as well. Watch movement, baby. The male peacock is there also. Yeah, yeah. Yes, very, very good, very good. I can get the clear footage. Yeah, the flying peacock. Oh shit, man. Shit, man. I zoomed very much. I zoom a lot, and while seeing the real peacock, I forgot to catch his flying. Oh my god, that's too bad. Yeah, yeah, sure. But I can say that I'm on the great place where I can see the bridge as well, sunrise as well, and the metro. Ah, I'm just liking this place. Yeah. There is some kind of resting place. Let's go there and check it out. Which kind of fruit it is? What is it? Yeah. No, it's very smelly. Ah. Oh, leave it. That was the worst decision I have ever taken by touching that one. It is really very bad. I touched it and it smell. Now my hand is smelling. Oh my god, it's really good that they have they even made a kind of a cool place here to see everything, and I really like it. Sure. The best part is no one is here, and I can enjoy this place alone. Hmm, sure. I can hear the water sound as well so clearly. The peace of this place is something else. But same thing this the thing I don't like is the water is becoming dirty. Look, black black water. Seaweed is mixing here. Come on. Yeah. Oi, 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 peacock! They are flying. Oh, I don't know what's the other part it is, white and black, but I'm sure that it's not a good thing. Metro line, blue metro line, blue metro line. No puedo hablar sobre esta. Yo entiendo que un metro de azul línea tiene 56 metros estación, también 50 kilómetros. Es bien para mí. Oh, well, bye bye भाई. चलो फिर आएंगे दोस्तों के साथ अच्छे से ब्लॉगिंग करने आएंगे. ये तो मैं मज़े मज़े में उठ के आ गया और ट्रस्ट में आई जस्ट मेड माई डे. अच्छी जगह है, यहाँ आएंगे एक बार और अच्छे से करेंगे वीडियो. हम चाहेंगी इस जगह के बारे में और जानना चाहेंगी. क्या तुम्हें पता है इस जगह के बारे में? बताओ. ओके, यमुना नदी एक ऐतिहासिक नदी है दिल्ली की, जो काफ़ी सारे पार्कों के पास से गुजरती है. और बताइए इस बात के बारे में, और जानना चाहेंगे. ओके, 1376 किलोमीटर की दूरी तय करती है दिल्ली हरियाणा और से होते हुए समुद्र में मिल जाती है. और यमुनोत्री से ये उत्पन्न होती है. इज इट? ये है अपनी छोटी सी प्यारी स्कूटी जिसको हम चलाते हैं. फ्री में, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिक वाली है भाई, इलेक्ट्रिक में क्या ही पैसे लग रहे हैं। भाई ना पूछो, स्कूटी चार्ज करने में तो पूरी रात ले लेती है, लेकिन चलती भी 100 किलोमीटर है। अभी देखो परसों चार्ज की थी। अब यू कैन से दैट आई वर्क इन MNC, so there I used to travel by the metro. I take pink line, red line, that yellow line. Then I took auto as well to reach there. But I don't use my scooty daily, so it do not run that much. But yeah, I can say it runs around 100 kilometers if I run properly. Mail, 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 peacock, mail, peacock, मेल पिकॉक, यो फीमेल पिकॉक, गई गई गई। भाई यहाँ तो हमें पिकॉक ही पिकॉक दिख रहे हैं। अच्छी जगह है, जगह तो अच्छी है। So I don't ride my scooty that much. Only on Saturday, Sunday, I ride it for whole day. Like today is Saturday, and I am riding it from this starting, and means I will go. I will cross many of the places like Delhi, India Gate, Qutub Minar. I used to travel these places oftenly. So, and it never betrayed me. So I can say it travel around 100 kilometers without any issue, or more than that. No. I hope you guys saw that peacock. But यार आज जो है मैं स्नेक नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ। यहाँ स्नेक होने चाहिए थे। एक और मेल पिकॉक है भाई, देखो वहाँ बगल में कोने में। अभी रुको, अभी तक हाँ दिखा 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 तुम्हें, देखो भाग रहा। नहीं भैया, हम तुम्हें कुछ नहीं करेंगे, हमें सिर्फ फुटेज लेनी है आपकी। Listen to the peacock sound clearly. यहाँ कुछ अंकल हैं, अपनी कार से आए हैं खाना देने। तो खाना उठा रहे हैं भाई। राम राम अंकल जी। पता नहीं खाना उठा रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं। आप पिकअप की आवाज़ सुनी? ये पानी नहाओगे क्या? तो नहाएगा क्या झरने के नीचे? नेचुरल झरना। Trust me, sometimes I just remember the sound of bike. I literally miss it. पकड़ लिया। पिकॉक का उड़ती हुई फुटेज पकड़ ली मैंने। भाई मेरे ऊपर से ही गया भाई, क्या सीन था। मतलब मैं से चल रहा हूँ और मेरे ऊपर से पिकॉक उड़ के गया। जय सूर्यदेव महाराज, प्रभु आप ही की कृपा है कि हम दिन को एंजॉय कर पाते हैं। बस ज़्यादा कृपा मत कीजिए क्योंकि गर्मी आ गई है। अब हम यहाँ से निकलते हैं। ठीक है, अब रास्ते में वीडियो नहीं बना सकते क्योंकि अगर रास्ते में वीडियो बनाएंगे तो हाईवे आता है, हाईवे का दिक्कत हो जाएगी। वैसे इस मंदिर में तो काफ़ी लोग आने लगे हैं। Earlier it was a quiet place. No one used to come here, but now I can see the rush. Okay, so bye bye. यहाँ पे हम बंद करते हैं।